USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen, and I will give you some more insights about the global economy as well. But before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. It say join free Telegram channel. If you want some free signals every now and then, make sure you connect with me on Telegram, and then check out the brokers in the profile right here. So go and sign up with these brokers if and when you want to trade with my signals, and my signals only in that account. Okay, separate account with for my signals. Subscribe, like, all that for you. Now, before I start the USDJPY dollar against yen analysis, you have to know the current affairs of the global economy, what is happening in the world. Okay, today I have some time, okay, so I can take a couple of extra minutes and explain this to you. Otherwise I can finish the analysis in 2 minutes, but I'll take maybe 3-4 extra minutes to make this, to make you understand what's happening in the world, okay? So Japan was the 4th largest economy until maybe 15 days ago, until 3 weeks ago, okay? So Japan was on number 4. So we had America number 1, USA number 1, then you have China number 2, then you have Germany and Germany number 3, and then you had past tense, okay? Then you had Japan 4 and India was 5, okay? Now Japan is 5 and India is 4, okay? Let me reiterate this. Now at current present, what we have is we have USA number 1, we have China number 2, we have this Germany number 3. Germany will be taken over by India in next 3-4 years, I believe, okay? So Germany is 3 so far, and then number 4 is India, okay? India has a currency of INR, and the number 5 is Japan, and Japan has JPY, okay? Now, why do we people not see trading USD INR? You might be curious. 4th largest economy. You trade euro, you trade USD, you trade the GBP, you trade Chinese yen, okay? But you want Chinese yuan, but you don't trade INR. Why is that? You need to know that, okay? Because all these currencies such as euro, and then Japanese currency, and then GBP, and then US dollar itself, okay? All these countries and currencies are actually, you can say they depend on US dollar. So US dollar actually dominates or controls their economy. For example, GBP has a correlation with USD. Let me give you 2 simple examples. Japan and UAE, Dubai, okay? So Japan's economy is directly connected with the US economy, and this Dubai's dirham is directly connected with dollar. So if dollar will go up, dirham will go up. If dollar will go down, dirham will go down. Same for Japanese. Even in Japan, the Americans, they dropped the two nuclear bombs on Japan. You know what? Even they are best friends. It's all money, baby. Okay, money talks, right? So even in Japan, these US people, they have taken control of Japan's education system in a way, because if you study in Japan, in your kindergarten or in your schooling, you are not taught in your Japan in your school that USA was the country which bombed Hiroshima and Nagasaki. That's how USA controls the economy and the countries in the world, okay? So coming back to the question again, India, INR being the 4th currency of the planet, still we are not trading it globally. You know why? Because India is not a fool. India has its own dominance, as in, we do not rely, or India do not rely on a dollar, okay? So in February 2024, until February 2024, you could trade USD INR if you were inside India as a local citizen, okay? But Indian government decided that we are not going to allow our INR currency to be traded with USD, and this was when Biden was in the government, okay? Because the plan of America was to increase the dollar against INR so that they can crash the Indian economy at that time in 2024, around January, February, when they were trying to take down the government of Bangladesh. Anyways, this is all related economy, okay? I could do that, this analysis in 2 minutes and walk away, but I have time to explain all these things, okay? So the reason why, Japan being the 5th economy now, we are trading it globally, USDJPY, but INR being the 4th economy, nobody trades USD INR. The reason is, it's not like you don't want to, it's like India don't allow you to. Okay, India as a country is not fool. India's currency is backed up by gold and other assets. US currency is backed up by nothing. US dollars is a fake currency, as in it has no backup, no gold, no nothing. It can burst anytime. Okay. Anyways, so I hope now you understand. If some people had any problems, number one is America, number two is this China, number three is Germany. For now, Germany will be behind in next 4 years. India will come on three. If things go at this rate and wars are happening in the Middle East and Europe, India will be number three in next 4 years. Germany will be number four, and Japan is at five. UK is six. I guess UK is an Islamic country now. So congratulations to all those people who are wishing for UK to be Islamic. Congratulations, you have done it. Anyways, too much talking. So let's start the analysis of USDJPY, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Here, what do we have? We are in the uptrend, trying to continue the uptrend. So uptrend, pullback, uptrend, going up again. So we are trying to go up in the weekly. In daily, what do we have? In daily, we are very near to the EMI, so we can break above the EMI any point of time. Maybe hopefully this week. Okay. So you can see here all these lows were never broken. I have shown you in my last video on USDJPY on Sunday, I think. So uptrend, then new high, and then pullback, and then we are going up again. So we are going to go again and maybe touch the EMA tomorrow, or maybe break the EMA. So look for longs. That's I would say. Coming back to 4 hour, what is our entry? Our entry is quite simple here. Where is our entry? I think yesterday I told you if this has broken, enter long. Okay, no rocket science here. Enter long right now. That's all I can say. So when I recorded my last video on USDJPY, I told you that when this high is broken, let me see. Yeah, when this high is broken, enter long. This high was broken right here. Pullback happened. Rejection came. It's a perfect entry. I'm a fucking idiot giving you free money right now. You see here, long wick. This is the hammer. This is the rejection right away. And then we are having a candle. You can enter right now after the hammer. So whenever you're watching the video, don't delay. Enter right now. Take your profit somewhere here and walk away with your 50, 60, whatever. Let me see. How many pips? 145. Yeah, you will easily get your 70 pips. 60 pips easily you can get if you enter right now. Okay. Okay. So I guess, yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and join Telegram. Sign up with the brokers, and nobody else will sell you these insights. So you have to stay updated about the world. Otherwise, it's not just about knowing which candle is going down or up. Okay, it's about knowing who is manipulating whom, right? So US as a country manipulates most of the countries. Few countries are such that they don't come under the influence of USA, such as Russia, such as China, such as India. India is a great friend of USA, but India do business in its own, decisions. Okay, so India don't get influenced or dominated by the West. Okay. Anyways, so a lot of talking. Maybe I'll start on another channel in my life if I'll find some time. Otherwise, 8 minutes over. It's a long video, man. Like I told you, I had time right now. So do all of that. Subscribe, like, blah blah blah, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.